One of the things that's really key for 3 Squared working in the rail industry is to understand the needs of the industry, understand what's changing, and understand what differs in different areas of the industry. So we work with infrastructure maintainers who operate signalling and railway. We operate systems for freight operators and passenger operators, and for people like Alstom who do the engineering behind all of those services that keep the railway running. Everyone's operating within the same safety critical space, but they've all got different requirements. So by getting close to the customers, understanding what their day-to-day looks like, understanding exactly what they need out of the systems and why, as an organisation we can make sure we build our software to meet the needs of the rail industry from top to bottom. I'm really lucky in my role in that I get to go out to loads of different customer sites in different contexts. So one day I will be here with some of the newest rolling stock in the country. Other days I might be in a freight depot with vehicles that have been on the network for many, many years. Obviously you've got different technologies, different skills needed to operate those vehicles, but all within the same principles. By getting out on site, not only am I getting to visit some really quite interesting places, but I'm making sure that the information we've got as an organisation covers the whole spectrum of the industry. I've been working with Alstom in my customer success role for probably about 18 months now, and in that time we've been understanding what the organisation are trying to achieve and where their vision is for competency management and training within the UK and worldwide within the engineering and maintenance space. Recently my focus has been how we pull the training and development into the competency management system alongside the existing CMS, and also how we integrate their user base across the 2 companies that have come together to form Alstom as it is today. Alongside that, we're looking at how we can drive out insights and reporting information from the system so that they can continue to evolve and manage their competency management system based on what results they get throughout their use of the system. EDS, as part of our RailSmart suite, can integrate with our own software solutions, but also third-party software solutions that our customers might be using. One of the things we're looking at internally within our software suite is we've already got an integration with our rostering software that uses people's competence management information and availability to work to ensure they get booked onto the right train services within a passenger or freight operator context. We're looking at how that could be applicable to the world of Alstom and other engineering companies to make sure that when they are assigning pieces of work to employees, they know they've got people who are skilled and safe and in competence for those pieces of work. But we're also looking at our external systems, so maybe how we can integrate what we already do with training and development with someone's learning management system, and also see if there is a way that we could pull in some medical assessment information into EDS from external occupational health providers. And the last thing that's really on my mind as a potential integration piece at the moment is how you can output from EDS what skills people have, what competencies they have, and maybe integrate them with some of the engineering technology within the maintenance facility here, so that when someone books out a torque wrench, not only do they know it's calibrated and when its certification expires, the system also knows that they're trained in torque tightening and they know when that competency exists, so the tool can only be taken out and used for a piece of work if all of those moving pieces line up.